Considering aging in place when building or upgrading means planning elevator or stairlift systems from the start to avoid costly retrofits later. For new construction, design with shaft space and structural reinforcements reserved for a compact residential elevator even if you delay installation. Plan the hoistway at a minimum clear inside dimension of 32 inches by 42 inches for many residential models, but verify specific manufacturer requirements early. Choose between hydraulic and traction lift mechanisms based on load, machine room availability, and maintenance. Hydraulic systems provide smooth travel and require a pump, while machine room less traction units save space but need precise counterweight balances. If you have existing stairs, a straight or curved stairlift can be a fast, low-disruption solution. Measure the rail path and landing clearances and select models with foldable seats and footrests to maintain passage. Include backup power such as a battery backup or generator circuit and route it into the elevator control panel so occupants are not trapped during outages. Ensure all designs meet local accessibility codes and elevator safety standards and obtain permits early to avoid construction delays and demolitions. Work with an accessibility specialist who can translate medical or mobility needs into appropriate travel height, control placement, door width, and threshold tolerances to make the installation genuinely usable. Common mistakes include underestimating space and structural needs, which leads to expensive framing changes later, so confirm shaft dimensions and load-bearing requirements with an engineer before finishing walls. Another frequent issue is neglecting power and emergency egress planning, which can strand users during outages, so specify battery backups, emergency lowering functions, and clear fire egress paths up front. A third problem is assuming a one-size-fits-all control layout, which can make controls unreachable for some users, so measure reach ranges, hand function, and sightlines, and choose controls that match the occupant profile. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like accessibility elevator and stairlift upgrades, and our community forum lets people ask peers and professionals practical questions about planning, permits, and product choices. We help contractors find local work and homeowners find installers and discuss real-world experiences in our discussion community.